Man charged with murder of woman in Choa Chu Kang.
Oh, Choa Chu Kang punya case.
Ni aku rasa beberapa hari lepas
Berapa hari lepas?
Beberapa hari lepas lah. Maybe 20, tak salah May 28.
28.
Aku rasa lah May 28.
Oh, aku tahu ni. Ya.
Kalau korang tak tahu, ada satu berita ni, man charged with murder of woman in Choa Chu Kang.
Oh, Choa Chu Kang punya case.
Miss Chua lying motionless at a 12th floor lift lobby.
Okay, so ni part aku ada baca yang dia actually kena step, si Faiz ni step Miss Chua dekat dalam lift. So when I think they are going up, so dia dah step, then dah sampai kat, is it 12th floor or 13th floor?
12.
Yang Miss Chua terbaring tu, motionless.
12
12 kan? So maybe the pintu dah buka, Miss Chua dapat keluar lah. But then confirm dah banyak darah keluar kan?
Dah merangkak dah.
Ya, dah merangkak lah.
Dah merangkak
So
semua.
that's why she terbaring kat situ, 12th floor.
Correct. So a resident of the block told the Straits Times on May 26 that